Now it's time to install the door frame in the front wall of the log cabin. Before we install it, we have to assemble it. The door frame comes in 4 main parts. There's a threshold that goes on the bottom, a header that goes at the top, and there's 2 uprights, a left and a right. To begin assembling, I first need to remove any screws that have arrived within the woods for assembly. To help protect the door frame during transport, we will include blocks within the U-channel that goes around the frame of the door. To install the door frame, we'll need to remove these blocks first. With all of the blocks removed, it's now time to connect all 4 pieces together. I'm going to start at the bottom, connecting the threshold to the uprights, and then I'll move over to the top, connecting the header to the uprights. When connecting the door header to the uprights, I'm going to use a scrap bit of wood or one of the supplied blocks to help encourage the rebates together, because it can be quite a snug fit. With the 2 bits now joined together snugly, I can use the screws provided to secure them both together and in place. We're about to position the constructed door frame within the front wall of the cabin. When we position it, we need the logs to slot in to the channels supplied around the door frame. To make this a little bit easier for us, we're going to loosen the screws that hold the fascias in place to widen the channel. We're now going to move the constructed door frame over to the front wall and slot it into place so the logs will slot in to the U-channels provided.